Everyone, good morning. Welcome to another session all about DC Python tutorial for beginners. In today's session, we have been till now we have seen that Fibonacci series in previous session, right? In today's session, we are less moving on to the factorial of number. How to find a factorial of number? If I have a 5 factorial, what it means? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? So the entire factorial of 5 factorial, it is giving the output as 120. When we are looking at 4 factorial, it is 24, right? So we need to understand such way that how to calculate this one, right? So, so for that we need to define n. It can take from the user input or else for time being I'll take from here itself x equals to 5 and I just want to store that way result into that factorial of number fact of I'm taking the value x and I just want to print the result, right? I just want to print the result. But before that we need to define a function, right? Define fact. We can take any variable. Let's take, okay, suppose v. Okay, I'm taking v. After that, every time I need to increment and decrement the values, right? So for that case, I need to use for I in V. What I need to know for I in, okay, sorry, for I in range, we need to change the values, right? So if you specify the value as 5, it will take from 0 to 4, right? But we don't want run. So I have start from 1 and n plus 1. So if you have that one, oh, we can also check from that also. Let's assign that f equals to 1. So every time the loop has to be executed such a way that it has to increment the value and it will give, right, fact into I. Okay, sorry. And what I want, return f. Return f. If we write return f, what we will get? We are getting error because here we are taking not f, right, v. Okay, for I in range v and v plus 1. Similarly, invalid syntax. Why? Because, oh sorry, we forgot the colon. Okay, if I run this one, I'm getting result itself because, sorry, error result error. If I run the result, what I'm getting? Same result it is getting, right? What is happening here? Why I'm not getting anything? Because this x is going to taken by the v. Then what is happening? If you include a double quotes, it will not the print. It will just print whatever there in it. You need to include such a way that in single quotes, then you will get it, right? But you are getting something wrong. What it is? You are just getting one. Why? What is happening over there? So you need to terminate this one, the return function. Absolutely. So if you include inside the for loop, okay, I'll remove the spaces, all spaces, can understand better. So you can see here itself. This is the simple code for factorial of number. So I'm deciding, okay, suppose if I want to know the factorial of 10, what it will be, whether it will be executing or not, we'll see. Yes, that is correct, right? So what if I just define one, just a v, okay? Okay, now run this one. What is happening? Or I will just take small number. You are getting 24, but it is actually for 4 factorial, but I am taking 5 factorial because it will take from 0 to 4 itself. So that's why. Okay, you need to understand. For range in v, if I write I run this one, I'm getting 0 because it will initially consider 0 to 4, right? In such a case, you will. So, first we need to start from 1. So, that's why. And we need to end till 5 also, right? So, for that one, v plus 1. It has to take from 0 to 4, but explicitly we are writing a condition in such a way that it has to start from 1 and it will end till v plus 1. So, in that case, we will get the correct output. So I hope this is very clear for you. To find the factorial of any number, we can use this simple code. Okay. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are like what we are doing, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon that makes me motivated to do more videos like this. Thank you for watching.